Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing the banana cake. Stick around.
Alright, I've done this before, making banana bread, but it wasn't as sweet as I wanted. So I'm doing a part 2. Basically, we're gonna call it a banana cake, but it's gonna be the same process, just add more sugar. So I got 2 cups of flour and a couple of different ingredients. That's what I'm gonna do here. I got a teaspoon of baking soda. That'll be one ingredient different from the first. And we're going with a teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're gonna go with a little salt. Half a teaspoon of that salt there. Gonna kind of whisk that together. Just to combine. You can sift it if you like. I'm gonna have to buy me a sifter one of these days. I ain't seen one in forever, but I know they're out there somewhere. And I guess you could always use your wire strainer. Had a brain fart there. But alright. Set that to the side. I got supposed to be 8 teaspoons of butter. Sorry, 8 tablespoons of butter. But I got a little bit more. That's how I like it. We're gonna go with a half a cup of granulated sugar. And I'm going with a half a cup of brown sugar. And actually, just a smidge more. Looks good to me. And we're gonna go with a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. Looks good. Another new ingredient for me is the lemon juice, teaspoon. And then we're gonna go with a half cup of buttermilk. I added the buttermilk off camera. My mind was slipping. Let's mix this together. I'm gonna go with 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. Looks about right. Oh, throwing stuff around. All right, I got me 4 ripened bananas. And they say they need to be ripe. Like that. You know, no green. You know, you want the sugars to be at the maximum. So with that, I'm gonna get these peeled out. And actually, I got a couple of more on the side that I may add to the mixture. I'm just gonna mash them. Boom. Just like that. Take a fork, smash them down. You want to smash them till they're smooth. Shouldn't take very long, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. So let me get this done, and I'll bring you back when I got it finished. All right. Looks pretty good. Just want to keep working it. Nice and smooth. Got me a couple of eggs here. Just gonna beat them up real good. Add that to that mixture. Give that a good mix. Nice combine in there. Add that to this. And get me a spatula here. Clean my bowl up. This a good mix. See if we're gonna need the spatula or the whisk. Yeah, whisk's all right. We'll save the spatula for the folding of the flour. And we'll add our flour or the dry mix to the wet mix. And they say that's the direction to go, because if you put the wet with the dry, it won't come out right. Now, why is that? I just don't know. Make it a little dense, I guess. We'll find out. I'll bring you back when I get this all mixed up. Now, I buttered my pan, but then I put flour in it to boot. Just make sure it don't stick. You don't want to overmix this too much, but I just stirred until my flour, didn't see any more dryness. And hopefully I didn't put too much in my pan. I wanted to rise, but don't necessarily need it to overflow, if you know what I'm saying. Beautiful. Clean that up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna need to wash some dishes here. I got my oven preheated, 325 degrees. And I'm gonna let this go for about roughly an hour. We're gonna check it. I'm also gonna put it on a cookie sheet, just in case. All right, it's out the oven. I've let it cool. Let's see if we can get it out of here without it falling apart or getting stuck. All right, got me a plate. Come out smooth. Lucky, lucky. Still a little warm, so I'm gonna let it cool down some more. Bring you back when I'm ready to cut it up. All right. See how good we did. Still a little warm, but it looks good. Let me bring it back when I get this cut up. Still a little warm, but delicious. I think it came out perfect. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about it. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.